Bubble Live. This is your host Rishti Pathak, and I'm back. It's going to be Madhurima Tulli today joining us on this live session. Big Boss 13 contestant जो आप सभी का फेवरेट था, I'm sure. तो आज हम उनसे कनेक्ट करेंगे एंड उनसे बातें करेंगे. तो अगर आपके पास कोई भी अच्छे सवाल है तो मुझे पूछ लो, मैं उनको पूछ लूंगी.
Hi. Hi.
Hello, how are you doing?
I am good. How are you?
All well. Now tell me, it's almost going to be 3 months that we're all locked up at home.
Yeah, it's been crazy. It's been like hell of a time. But also, you've got time to be with yourself, I guess. I think which was required all this while.
Yeah.
But hey guys, hello
almost.
everyone. How are you?
I was just checking out everybody, and all your fan clubs are live, and they're so, loyal towards you. How sweet of them.
They love me so much, and I love them also a lot. Thank you for loving me so much.
So now that the world, I don't know about the world, but yeah, India is unlocking a little bit. You can see things are opening up around. Did you go anywhere? Did you do anything?
Not really. I'm at home. My mom is not letting me go anywhere. And personally, even I don't want to go. It's actually a risk. I mean, I can go for a drive or something with family. We were planning. But let's see. Maybe today or tomorrow we might go out to just see how's it around. Because it's been 3 months. I haven't gone out at all. So, but it's risky. I mean, it's very scary. You cannot go out, interact with people. I think you have to keep maintaining the social distance that's required. I mean, we have to take precautions ourselves.
Yeah. But, I've been reading this everywhere on posts, on memes, on news that, when the counts were really less in India was when we locked down the entire place. But now that the counts are going up, we are opening up.
Yeah.
So how do you take this whole thing as? How do you take this as?
I don't know. It's very strange, actually. Every day, 10,000 new cases are coming up. It's really strange because it's been 3 months. And still we are coming out with new cases. It's quite shocking and scary. I think it's not the right time. I think we should give it more time. I think 15 to 20 days more and see how it goes and then actually finish the lockdown completely or maybe start doing shoots and stuff. I think this is not the right time to do anything. Maybe give 15, 20 days more to start everything. Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay, so talking on work front, now we have heard, I don't know how much are you allowed to talk about it, but we've heard about your upcoming web series. So tell us if you can something about it.
Yes, that's a show coming on Sony Live and it's based on the surgical strikes which happened in Pulwama, Pakistan, and I'm playing a journalist. So yeah, I'm very much excited. New shows and stuff. So hopefully soon, yes, you'll hear it from them.
So talking about you playing a journalist, now tell me, what did you kind of research when it comes to journalism and stuff?
I saw you guys, the way you talk, the way you guys make stories, and I think you guys are hats off to you all, honestly, because it's a very, very difficult job. You have to be so correct all the time. One mistake and your job is at stake, your life is at stake. So I think it's really, really cool and very, very great to be a journalist, and hats off to you all. I mean, you guys have all the knowledge. So I was reading and going through all the news and news reporters. So it's quite cool. I mean,
Okay. So apart from this web series, when do we get to see it, by the way? When is it coming on air?
That's what, Sony Live, they are planning, they are getting different shows because they're coming with many shows. So they've given particular dates to every show. So hopefully soon, I think maybe this June, they might just come out with it.
Okay, lovely. Then we're going to soon be seeing our favorite on Sony Live. That is so cool.
Yeah.
So apart from this, did you sign up for anything else? Like any music videos or anything that you...
No, nothing. I mean, I was in talks with some people, but because of lockdown, everything got over. So now, hopefully, once this is over, maybe hopefully soon something will come up. But I haven't signed anything new as such yet.
Hmm. So a lot of people have started shooting. I wouldn't take names, but a
Yeah.
lot of people have started working with taking necessary
Yeah.
precautions. So
Yeah.
if you are offered for something, would you also head up and work with precautions, or would you still stay home?
Uh, I don't know. I mean, not right now. I mean, if something had to come right now, I might have. I mean, I might stay. I might give 10, 15 days more and then start working, because the worst part is it's, I mean, still there are cases coming out. I mean, as we had spoken
Right.
before. So it's very risky. I mean, you cannot maintain social distancing while you're acting. You are interacting. Sometimes when you're just into the scene, you might just forget and touch something which is infected. So it's very, very risky. I mean, I think whoever are shooting, I think you need to be really, really cautious about how you do it and take care of yourself. I think I'll give 10, 15 days, a month more. I mean, till the time something great comes up, obviously. So,
But when we go to see, we are so blessed that we can give ourselves the kind of time that we want to stay safe. But
yeah,
there are a lot of
yeah,
people out there who, because of these crises, probably have attempted suicide, and
yeah,
because they didn't have a choice.
yeah,
So when you hear of things like this, how
yeah.
do you react to such news?
I think it's very, very sad. Honestly, we are blessed and grateful. I'm very, very grateful that I can still survive longer. I mean, it's very, very, very sad for people who couldn't manage depression and who've been through so much. And I would say, I mean, God give them strength. Everyone who are going through a lot of stress, and but I mean, there's no other option. You have to start working for them, and I'm sure God will be there to protect them and keep them safe.
I'm also going to pick some questions that come along in these comment section,
Yeah,
because some
yeah,
of them
sure.
turn out to be interesting because I cannot ask them personally. But
Okay.
there's Karima Das.
Huh.
Garima Das asking, we'll get a news on this. Wow. There's Garima Das asking, what is your view on Ekta Kapoor being slammed for her web series?
It's very sad, actually. Honestly, you cannot do cyberbullying. I mean, yes, it's wrong to portray something like that, but rape threats and all that, it's complete. I'm completely against it. I mean, you have problem, you can just say, please remove it, or just apologize to people you've done something wrong to. But you cannot give rape threats, and I mean, you cannot do cyberbullying. I'm completely against it. Yeah,
Absolutely, absolutely.
yeah.
Social media right now is a blessing for so many of us, since we can also work, through Instagram, and that we can also kind of spread awareness of necessary things. But at the
Yeah.
same time, we also have people who bully. We have people who spread fake news. So, do you think they should start having some strict rules when it comes to all of this, that people cannot, kind of spread things like that?
I think it's really sad. I mean, the haters who spread wrong news, and because and they really need to get a life. I think because you are troubling other person's peace of mind, it's really wrong. You need to understand that what that person is going through. You never know. You cannot bully someone like that. It's really, really wrong on your part. That means you have some mental disorder that you're doing something like this. And I would say that whoever does something like that, I think there should be some technique where instantly they get blocked from every app. I would say. I mean, there are people who definitely. I mean, some things are correct where you are understand. Okay, criticism is right, but hate trolls and all that, it's completely. I'm completely against it. No, that's something very, very wrong.
I know, right? And have you ever been told something hurtful that you couldn't get over for a
Incidents where maybe I abused once. So that's something which, and that too on national television. So that's something which it took me time to get over it. Like, how could I do something like that? Why did I do it? But abusing, I mean, ठीक है, मैंने बहुत बड़ी गाली ऐसे कुछ गाली नहीं दी है, मतलब मैंने थोड़ा छोटा मोटा बोला, but then that's also wrong. I mean, I'm completely against that also. I think that's how I learned that, okay, you need to be, you are a personality, you need to behave in a certain way. You cannot, I mean, that people will learn something out of you, so you need to behave yourself. So yeah, that you learn from your mistakes, I would say.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask a happy question now.
Yeah. Okay.
Tell me how are you finding your new short hair? There was this fan asking that, do you miss your long hair?
Well, honestly, I'm loving my short hair, but yes, when I had cut it, at that time I was like, oh my god, they were so long. Why did I cut it? बहुत सारी चीजें हुई मेरे को I was missing a lot. But then now I'm not. I'm completely enjoying it, and it's growing also now. So I'm happy. Yeah.
The summer look. It looks really, really
The
fab.
summer look, the summer chic look. Yeah.
Now tell me about web series तो पहले भी आते थे अभी भी आते हैं and आते ही रहेंगे I'm sure but now that
Yeah.
feature films जो बड़ा पर्दा नहीं देख पा रहे are kind of deciding to put their films up on OTT platforms so
Yeah.
how do you take that as do you kind of find it heartbreaking or do you think it's an opportunity because you can go to a wider audience in that case how do you take it as?
It's heartbreaking, definitely, because theater is always a theater. Cinema, I mean, if you want to watch, you want to go to a theater and watch it. But definitely, when you cannot go to a theater, if you're just sitting at home, it's a lockdown. So I am definitely sure that OTT platform is a way better opportunity. At least it's coming out. At least you're there, seen to the public, and it's definitely a wider audience. So I think both ways it's great. Once the lockdown is over, obviously any day cinema is better, theater is better. But right now, I mean, there's no other option. I think it's a great platform and opportunity.
Very well said. Also, these 2-3 months that we've been home, people are trying new skills and trying to pick up a hobby or do something that they haven't ever. What is it that you are doing?
Honestly, I was helping my family members. They're like we were making pizzas, ice creams, and all that. I hate cooking, so I was just kind of helping them. Like, okay, अभी ये करना है, अभी ये करना है, अच्छा ये करते हैं. But I think I was relaxing. I didn't think of okay, I need to learn this. I wanted to relax. I wanted to chill. Like I worked really hard last year. I was like, now I think I should just take a chill pill. But then it gets to you. I mean, kitna chill karega koi? Then I started doing dance and I started doing yoga. Yoga I always did, but then yoga and helping my mom and dad with all the delicious dishes. And my brother, he's become a great cook. So yeah.
In the beginning of this lockdown, we were all not used to this lifestyle, because staying at home, not going out, not meeting your people and stuff was a little weird. But now with time, people are getting used to this thing. This is like becoming the new normal.
Yeah.
Are you bored or have you accepted कि ठीक है अब ऐसे ही होगा?
No, I mean, sometimes it gets to you. I mean, it's like you cannot get out of the house, you cannot do anything, and you want to breathe, you feel suffocated. You want to meet people, you want to meet your friends, and it's very, very difficult. You cannot live like this. No, it's impossible. I mean, after a point, it will get to your head and you will be frustrated. I mean, it needs to get over, definitely.
So what are you going to tell? What would you say to all those people probably who are not living with their parents or who are alone and this lockdown is taking over their head and there's so much of depression that is happening everywhere and not everyone can afford a psychiatrist or a counselor or something like that. So what would you say to them?
I would say that you need to be very, very positive. God loves you, and just be there, stay there, and be strong. It's going to be great. I mean, we cannot promise, but we are sure that it's going to be great. Just hang on and just believe in God and believe in yourself. It's going to be fantastic. So I'm just going to give positivity to all the people who are actually really alone at this time. It's really, really frustrating. I agree. But just believe in yourself and hang on. Stay strong.
There's this one question. Whom do you think was the worst contestant of Bigg Boss? The people are still not over Bigg Boss.
Oh, Bigg Boss. I mean, I think nobody was worse. Everybody was great. They were doing their bit to survive. And जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. It's fine. I mean, I cannot comment anything on Bigg Boss contestants. I'm sorry. I like them all, everyone.
How sweet. So, let me just check with another question. There's one asking, when will you come live with Asim Riaz? Asim.
Asim. I don't.
Looks like they don't like me hosting you.
Exactly. Why aren't you happy? I'm there with her. That's so wrong.
Okay. Tell me, whom do you really wish to work with when it comes to future projects? Whom do you want to,
I
actually
have a
kind of
lot
work
of
with?
wish list. I'm sure it will come true. Dheere dheere. I'm like one has. I mean, God has been kind to me. So definitely, I have a long list. Everybody does. Whoever wants to be an actor, they want to work with Hrithik Roshan, Salman Khan, good directors, Imtiaz Ali, and everyone. So definitely, hopefully, let's see. Fingers crossed.
I know, fingers crossed, because
Yeah,
I'm sure all your fans, including us, we all want to see you working with all your favorite people so that we get
absolutely.
to see you more often.
Thank you.
But so, without taking a lot of time, lastly, what would you want to say to everybody who's been watching you over here and been commenting so many hearts and love?
I will say I love you guys. You guys mean so much to me. I didn't believe that I'm going to get so much love from you all. It really, really, really means a lot. And all the best. And you guys also stay strong, believe in yourself, and rock on.
So, on that note, thank you so much, Madhurima, for joining us on this live chat. We're
Thank
so happy
you.
that we got to connect.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. Love you
Thank you.
guys.
Stay
Thank you.
home.
Stay home. You too. Stay home. Stay safe. See you. Bye.
Yeah. Bye. Bye. So guys, that was a live chat with Madhurima Tuli. I hope आपको ये conversation पसंद आया हो. In case you want to watch it again, you have to go and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Bollywood Bubble. Until then, stay home, stay safe. This is your host Trishti Pathak signing out.